everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is Wellness Wednesday and I have my monthly Young Living box. It's a little bit bigger of a box this month because I am trying to stock up on some things that I was close to running out of because some things go out of stock and I don't want to be without these certain things. Let's see what I got. I got some new things that I haven't tried before that have been on my wish list for a while now. Okay, first off, new item, clear vegetable capsules. So Young Living has, if you can see up here, those white labeled bottles are the Vitality line, which means they are safe to ingest. So I am taking some new oils topically, but I am considering taking them internally because I take Inner Defense. I know I've talked about that before, which is just kind of a great immune system support little gel capsule, veggie capsule. So I have all the oils that are in it, so I figured I could start making some on my own. Through there, so just take it apart, and then you can fill it up with the oils of choice, and then you can add a carrier oil, olive oil, grapeseed, avocado oil, or anything like that, just so it kind of sits better on your stomach. So it comes with 250, so that should last me a while. So I'm excited to give that one a try a new avenue of taking oils. And then I needed to restock on my Thieves fruit and veggie soak. I will leave the link to another video that I did on this in the description so you can check it out because I use it all the time, especially in the summer. We're eating a lot more fruits and vegetables, so this is how I wash them. Plant-based, safe for everyone, and it does a really great job getting it clean and safe to eat because prior to using the Thieves fruit and veggie soak, I was just rinsing it with water and calling it good. And that is not, not good, especially when people are opening up the bags and opening up the containers and touching them. And I'm not a germaphobe, but sort of am when it comes to my fruits and vegetables. So this way I know that it is clean and ready to eat. Let's see what else I got. Just running low on this. This is the Thieves hand sanitizer. This is a new bottle that I haven't had before. I think they were kind of running out when everybody needed hand sanitizer. So this kills 99.99% of germs. It has peppermint oil in it, so it smells really good, and aloe in it, so it's not going to dry out your hands. I have a small one on my purse. I have a pump bottle in my car, and I keep one in the house if we have people over. So it's all throughout the house, and I was running low, so I'm excited to get this restocked for school year's right around the corner, I feel like. We got what, a month and a half left before school starts up again, which is crazy. Another restock, Thieves dish soap. So I've talked about this one before. I don't know if I've talked about this one specifically, so I don't know if I have a specific video just about this dish soap, but I can dilute this into 3 bottles from just one by dumping out 2/3 into other bottles, filling it up with warm water, adding a teaspoon of baking soda to give that foam without having the sodium lauryl sulfate and all those things you do not want. So no dyes, no formaldehyde, no phosphates, no synthetic perfume. This is our go-to dish soap that we use. I think I have maybe 1/3 left, so I'll just fill that one up. But I always like to have a backup just in case. And then another restock is the, what is it called? Ceraguard. I keep want to say Citra Fresh, but it's Ceraguard Deodorant. So it has lemon, thyme, and lemongrass essential oil. No aluminum. So you should check your deodorant and see what things are in your deodorant, because that is not good for you. So I've been using this deodorant for, I want to say, almost 3 years now. So it's really been good. I prefer the Valor deodorant, just smell-wise. I mean, this one's just fine, but I just really love Valor, but it's currently out of stock. So this one has been my go-to deodorant in the meantime. And then the next ones are some oils, which Young Living was having some buy one, get one free for the month of July for International Essential Oil Day, which was on July 11th. So there was a pack that I had tried before that had been on my wish list. So it just kind of worked out well. So the one that I have been wanting is Dreamcatcher. So Young Living's pretty good about giving you an idea of what that could be used for. So this is going to be helpful for sleep. And usually it comes in a 15 milliliter bottle, but this is a 5 milliliter bottle. And then I got a 5 milliliter bottle of cedarwood, which is also great for sleep support as well as great for your hair. So I have that in a spray. So this one's really good. I want to smell this one because I've never smelled it before. There's gotta be white Angelica in here. I've got a pretty good sense of smell, so I think I could probably pick out some of those notes in there. Let me just look on the thing here. We've got sandalwood, tangerine, ylang ylang, pepper, bergamot, anise, and oh, the list goes on. Juniper, geranium, blue cypress, divana, jasmine, rose, grapefruit, spearmint. So there are a lot a lot of oils in this blend. So to get it in a 5 milliliter bottle to give it a try, I'm excited. I might put this in my diffuser at night or in our girls' room just to kind of help with sleep and whatnot. And then I got a 15 milliliter bottle of Endoflex. So Young Living has an app. It's called the Lifesteps App. So anyone that is a customer or brand partner with Young Living has access to this free app. There is a pro version that you can pay for, but I just have the free one, and it has a lot of great information. And on there, it has a wellness assessment. So you can answer all these questions, just kind of your mood and things about yourself. And then it gives you some Young Living products that you can use to help support that specific system. So the system that I got was the endocrine system. So like your kidneys and your thyroid and all that stuff, which I was not surprised that that came up in my assessment. So one of the products that they suggested on there was Endoflex. So I'd say maybe it's been a month now. I've been putting Endoflex right here on my thyroid every single day. So I was running low on my 5 milliliter bottle. So I wanted to get the 15 milliliter bottle. This does have a white label, the Vitality line, so this is safe to ingest. So I might be putting that in the vegetable capsules to take as a supplement that way. So if you are a current customer or brand partner with Young Living, I highly recommend checking out that app because it gives you a lot of great ideas, because there's so many different products that Young Living offers. So it's like, well, what do I try next? And this will give you, I think there was like 5 or 6 things for that specific system that you could purchase on your next order. So it's nice to have those ideas. And then another new one that I'm trying, not this month, but next month, is Progescence Plus. So once again, you can probably guess what it is for. It is naturally occurring progesterone. So for the women out there, it actually is extracted from wild yams, which is crazy to me. I've heard so many testimonies, success stories with this, and I'm just kind of on this journey, if you will, trying to be less toxic, changing out like tampons, pads, all that stuff, getting rid of birth control and things like that, and just kind of supplementing my body naturally. So I'm going to be giving this a try next month. So it is a serum, and usually you just kind of add little drops to your arms, or I've seen people put a roller top on this, which I'll probably do just to roll it on and kind of see. So I will talk to my OB next month and just kind of get a better idea of how I can support my body without any synthetic hormones in my body, and hopefully that will help get things regulated a little bit better. But I should actually smell it. Let's see what else is in here. It has copaiba, sacred frankincense, cedarwood, bergamot, peppermint, and then the progesterone from wild yams and clove. So let's give that a... Smells very nice. So I plan on using this for 30 days, and then maybe I will do another video and kind of talk about what I've noticed and things like that. So I probably won't start that until next month. Let's see if I got anything else in here. I think everything came as ordered. And then, as always, I got 20% back on this order. I am hoping to cash in all of my points. I think I've been saving them for the past year or so, just to like to have a lot saved up so that I can get a bunch of things that I need to either restock on, or maybe some more expensive oils that I wouldn't normally pay for, but that way I could get it for free. And I think next month I start getting 25% back from Young Living, because I've been on their loyalty rewards program for almost 2 years now. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and comment below what your favorite item would be to try. And don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.